Hey guys, welcome to J&J Auto Rankings test video for LJCE347101. This is a 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo luxury sport. Comes with us with a 305 on it. A lot of really nice parts, guys. This car was very good condition until it got hit up here. Obviously it's been repainted, but it's got a lot of cool stuff on it. Nice door mirror, a lot of nice chrome on this unit. That door handle is broken. Nice set of American Racing wheels here. We've got them all polished up. We're gonna pull them off and check them for any damage. Rear end's in good condition here. Both the filler panels are in good shape on the taillights. Rear bumper complete deck lid. Here is the 305 running smoothly. It's gonna be sold as a dropout with all the belt driven accessories. Took a little whap up there, but we got her running. Step inside here. Car has a custom interior, been redone clearly before with some tweed or something. Looks good, not my favorite as far as the color goes, but it's a decent quality job. A lot of good trim on this car though. The interior is in above average condition. Headliner's been redone, same with the door mirrors. But all the dash trim is nice, the radio bezel's nice, cluster's nice. Rear seat's been recovered as well. Door panel. We're gonna get this all pulled off and get it all listed. Bad stereo wiring job. If you did that, bad. Let's give her a couple of revs here. Running well. Let's test the transmission. Oh, reverse. Oh, we're spinning. Oh, I can't shift it. The shifter cable. Okay. The linkage is messed up, but she went into reverse, so that's good. Let's test out the climate control here. That's working well. I don't know if you guys can hear the fan kicked on. AC, baby. Let's do the power windows. I'm not going to go all the way down because you never know, but the motor is working. I'm sure the tracks need some silicone in them, or the felt run channels. Do the driver's side here. Get that out of your way. That worked well as well. Go ahead and shut it down there. That's gonna wrap it up for LJCE347101, our 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo luxury sport G-body, guys. All the parts are gonna be on our website, www.jnjautoworking.com. And you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555 if you're looking for anything off this G-body. Thanks for watching, guys, and we're out.